tried to make you laugh.
Action.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Okay lang yun. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Siya nagbabay. Mwah. Baka yung tingnan ko nakilit na. Sino pa hindi? Sino pa wala?
65 ka pero 50 ka lang. Kaya ka lang malakas ka pa, no? Yummy, malakas pa, di ba?
Get better on your birthday. I always wish that you will stay as is. You're so great person and we love you. This in our community. Hi, June.
Okay.
Hi, June. Wow, bukas pa rin.
Wow, napanawin niya.
Translator! Translator! Always be patient with Sister Yoni. Be patient.
Okay.
The best kaibigan. All the best. Lalo na dun sa alam mo na. Sa problema.
Alright.
June, happy retirement. Pareho na tayo. Retire. Happy birthday din. On your 65th, 66 ba? O 65 birthday. Okay, yun lang. Yun lang.
Happy birthday. Sana humaba pa, maraming birthday ka rin sa iyo. Bye. Okay. Easy lang.
Happy 65th birthday. Yeah, but I'm not retired too. I know you're still very active. So may God bless you. May God give you strength and more birthday sa mga po. Nagpapay mga po. Oo nga, baka pa. So we hope that we can have the same 65. What do you say, yeah? Okay.
Hello. How are you all of them? Oh, happy birthday, June. I hope you have more birthdays to come. How is your senior life there? Oh, at Yoni, salamat sa pagkata mo at nagpapahaba ng buhay sa amin. Kumusta ang mga anak at pamilya, si Jeffrey, si Coco, si Janicel, at ang pamilya nila, mga apo ko sa tulad dyan. Mahal ko silang lahat. Si Caridad, kumusta na lang? Pakibigay ang love regards to Caridad and Daniel. At sa kanilang mga anak, si Donel at si Denise. I love you all. And how are you, Jeric and Clarice there? How is your vacation there? I hope you enjoy the vacation. I hope also I am there with you. Good luck, good health. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, June! Oh, Peter Song ka na yun when you're 64. Ano, kumusta dyan? Tatrabaho ba? Dapat retired ka na pareho namin. Anyway, enjoy the day, June.
Hi, Kuya June. Happy birthday. Kasama na pala retirement mo dyan. Punta ka rito ulit sa Pilipinas. Labas tayo, ha? Okay, happy birthday. Okay na.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jun! Namimiss ko yung puto binyang tsaka yung goto. Umuwi ka na rito. Happy birthday!
Hi! Kay June, belated happy birthday! At Yone, Kuku, Jeffrey, Janisel. At ikatata ni Kuya Daniel pala. Canada rin. Lang yata si Payong eh. Sinusubo ko baka hindi magpadala ng Canadian niya. Kamusta na kayo dyan? Dito kami, okay lang. Mga bagyo. Kamusta araw? Sabi ni Tyrone. Excuse me. Excuse me po. Ano pa ba? Thank you for a little gift that you have given me in the past years, past month. Yun lang. God bless you all and miss you so much.
Happy birthday, June. May you have many more birthdays to come. Thank you for being so patient and understanding to my sister Ate Yoni. Ikaw ano?
Happy birthday then, June. I'm sure we'll have many more birthdays. And we wish you a great time on your retirement. Thank you. Thank you.
I just thank you.
Third question. How did you two meet?
In a party?
Explain nyo naman. Explain nyo
In a party. Paano?
Ay, huwag na yun.
Kilig tuloy. O sige,
Makilig naman miss ko yung weed.
O sige naman.
Ayoko